Good afternoon, everyone. It's Christie Ryan. I am answering a question that I have gotten quite frequently during COVID and quarantine, and I see it arising this week if you live in Texas like I do, and school has been canceled due to not having power or, the roads, the weather, that type of thing. And the question is, since school is not in session, does the other parent get our child at the time school would normally be dismissed on Thursday or on Friday? And, the flip side is, do I get my child, even though school is not in session at the time school is normally dismissed? And the answer is, I'm not a judge, but during COVID and litigating this exact issue, judges have put out their thoughts. And their thoughts are, treat this week like school is still in session, okay? Obviously, if it's safe, this week is a little different than when COVID was here. COVID is still here, but when quarantine and all of that was still new. This week is a little different in that if you do live in Texas like I do, maybe the roads aren't safe, maybe where you're living you don't have power. That's a different posture. If all things are normal and safe, then yes, you should turn over your child to the other parent at the time that school would normally be dismissed, even though school is not in session, because it should be in session. This is an unforeseen event. And so the courts have given guidance, and that guidance is treat these weeks, treat these unknown times as though school were in session, because if you look at a school calendar, they were supposed to be, believe me, my 3 boys were supposed to be in school this week. And so another bit of advice I give to clients, whether you're religious or not, I just think it's a good way to live your life, is to treat the other parent, your ex-spouse, your ex-boyfriend, girlfriend, in the same way that you would want to be treated. And again, don't have to be religious, but it's just a good mantra, especially when you're dealing with court documents and you're dealing with possibly and potentially showing up in front of a judge to explain your actions in the future. So treat it like it is in school, like your child is in school, that school is in session. As long as everything is safe, yes, you should be allowed to get your child, and yes, you should turn over your child. So I hope everyone stays warm, everyone is safe, and y'all have a great rest of your week, okay?